ya Kenya Plant Health Inspectorate Service kegenderete no muroberio obwobonyabi bwembusuro nabaigo ebimeri au imeye county ya Nyamira nabaigo county ya Kisii bosio bwengaki yerismeka bakorawa na chelangat tonuyo yoro mokonyi bwomo director ase gosobo mokonyi bwomo director antenera kurwase kyombekyo asensemo ya Kisumu nigasemirie abantu bonse kwenekia bunanko babale maiso nebituma bakogora ase ogoche gusmeka ase emigondo yabo nigatebire buna onde bwensi oraje konyorwa gakonwa ebituma bitari ase kerengo keria keganeire nigarachie kobekwa byara naboigo koimokerwa egetambukero egetambukere getindi korengana nerichiko nigabantu bonse babere bakuboriwa ko bamaiso ase nonya nababere gakwenekia buna bali babere bakonyorekana korwase county ya Kisii naboigo county ya Nyamira nigo babere bakobekwa byara muriketo Mildred Momanyi namange
ono gakige ntungu sabe community abantu baitu akina singe njo ule muru wagirete ngachaka konia marwaya ngoreterwe bintu utingo manya so mundarusia ontigera kina muamaru
Omusubati aselietano raundioki ni ganyara kubwatiranigwa asenka yaye amuna bamenyi be location area nyi asogo
kyombe kerengete obochono bwechimbusuro ekikemanyekanete buna Kenya Plant Health Inspectorate nigo bagenderete no bunyabi gochiase bali bakonya ebituma biri bitalia ase kerango kebwenerete gochiase abalemi motuyo gochia gusmeka ase baine kya kubeka byara abawoni bebituma ebyo ebibe ime county ya Nyamira na Kisii
ebege gochigosumikwa igekoruguma certified igebekeire ekimanyererio nga embegeye nengiye nembegeye nigegotoka ase eboire lisakara guseke nyurini embegeye igate sanso ile akoni wase chichiro.
During surveillance we managed to get individuals who were handling seed and they did not have license. Some were also handling uncertified seed that has not been inspected and passed as fit for farmers to access. In Nyamira, we arrested 4 individuals who were selling seed and did not have a seed seller's license. So with the help from the security team, we were able to arrest them and present them to court. So as we speak, the court process is on. In Kisii County, we came across 210 kilos of seed that was handled by individuals that did not have license. In Nyamira, we impounded 100 kilos. 80 kilos of this 100 was the uncertified seed that was being sold by an individual at the marketplace.
Nigo bono babuli abalemi gochikoba maiso chinga kibakugora chimbusuro chogo chigosmeka ase boigo babatebya chinchira bakubwatia ase bimeli ebyo ase boigo kurwabisyo mu county commissioner baine kemuna bachikogendera nobo banyabi nakobeka byara bali baratuke bakonya ebitume bibe nakoba imokelia egetambukiro.
We want to urge our farmers that every time they want to buy seed, they go to agrovets that have been licensed. We encourage our farmers to always keep that packet after planting. And if possible, with some few seeds inside the packet. Then we suspect that maybe there's a problem with the seed. Then we are able to get that packet with a few seeds inside, and then we go and plant and confirm that maybe there was a problem with the seed. I also want to encourage the agrovets that have been licensed to be on the lookout. Remember them, they are in this business legally.
No anya chibesa chiakongire kamuranche mogenda mupimeru embegu ne gorogoro.
Tunataka kuwaonya hawa watapeli kwa sababu hiyo sio biashara halali, hiyo ni biashara haramu. So we are going to crack down on them in all our centers, including kule mashinani, kwa sababu hatutakubali wakuwe tisho kwa food security katika nchi yetu.
Kurwa service yoboremi ime county Kisii nigo boigo basaba abaremi gwetanga kugura ebimeri mbarabare ne bara anene ebimeri bya matunda asikiria buna ebinge byabo tibiri ase kerengo kiganeirie
to base kogenda ogore avocado seedlings gose ebimeria koruga iga bibikoni kunjera para sinasali niki toko kwanira iga seedlings yecho njiri certified ogo chosi meke oganye tebeka matunda gose kobeka matunda are of raw quality amatunda otanyale konyora chiro nyore gotagete gotimeka avocado avocado ogocha nasari yaitu ATC onyore ebimeria na rio rachikonyora amazao ayara amaya are of high quality eranyare konyorekana echiro erindo nyare konyora chibesa chisaine oburimi bwago gwakorerete.
Kuripoteria igetaseni kia Ndizi TV, elitaliane Mildred Momanye.